Start by pressing the function button, and then we're going to press down till we get to number 10, which is going to say calibration. Once we're there, we're going to go ahead and hit the button that says confirm, and we're going to enter in our password to get into calibration, 3682, press confirm. Now, we've already set the capacity and the division. There's no need to change that as this has already been set up. Unless this is a new device that you're replacing, that's when you'll need to enter the capacity or the division. Now, the first step here is to zero out the scale. And so this is going to be your empty weight. You want to make sure that there's nothing on it. And once it's hanging and it's empty, we're going to press the button confirm to zero out the scale. Once that's done, we're going to enter our mass. That's going to be our known weight that we're going to use to calibrate the scale with. Now, the known weight needs to be in kilograms. So if you have a pound known weight, all you need to do is convert it from pounds to kilograms and then enter in that known weight as your mass that you're going to be using. And you need to hang the known weight from the bottom hook. Once you have the mass entered, you'll move over to where it says cal and you'll press confirm to then enter in your known weight. And after that, you'll be ready to go.